I am new to YouTube, but I am not new to hair cutting and barbering. If you are aspiring to be the best barber on the planet or want to sharpen your hair cutting skills, I guarantee that if you watch this video carefully all the way through, you'll pick up on techniques you won't see anywhere on YouTube. Hello, my name is detailDale, founder of Sharper Barber and U.S. Ambassador for Mataki Shears. And you are watching my haircut tutorial. And what we're going to be doing is a low tight temple taper on the sides and in the back. Also, we're going to be doing an all over scissor cut with Mataki shears. And I encourage you to subscribe to my channel because I have plenty more videos that I will be dropping soon that I'm sure you will benefit from. First, we will begin by cleaning off his neck area. Now we will apply the neck strip for sanitary purposes and secure the chair cloth. We now will wet the hair down and comb all of his hair down around the perimeter. Now we're going to cut starting on the left side temple area and cut around the perimeter. Now we will continue on the right side, cutting down and around the ear and to the right temple area. Now we'll cut across the bangs. That is where we will start our guideline, cutting from the front to the back vertically. Now we will cut from the front to the back horizontally, following the same guideline. Now we're going to cut the top right side to blend in with the middle top, and we'll cut all the way around to the left top side. Now we're going to start on the left side, working our way around. Scissor to palm, all the way around to the right side, and with our fingers pointing down. Now we're going scissor to palm, fingers pointing upward. Now we're going traditional barber style. Scissor over the top of our fingers, all the way around, back to the left side. There are so many different ways to cut hair. You just want to make sure that you are precise and accurate. And when you're cutting with shears like Mataki, you can't go wrong. We're going to continue to go through and check and make sure everything is on point. Now we're going to get into some clipper work. We're going to go an 1/8 or number 2 attachment against the grain. Remember, don't go higher than the ear. This is a tight temple taper. Now we're going to blend out that first line with the clipper over comb method, starting with the left temple and work our way around. And any other lines that you see along the way on this journey, go ahead and knock them out with the clipper over comb. We're going back. Don't go higher than the occipital bone. Stay below the occipital bone in the back. Blend that line out all the way around to the right side. Now we're going to create the bald outline at the very, very bottom in the nape area. And then we're going to start on the left side, temple area. Use your shavers to also make it smooth and very bald at the bottom. Now we're going to go against the grain with the clipper closed to create another line. Notice how at the very bottom, I'm taking out that line with edgers. You don't have to zero gap your clippers to take out that bottom line. Now I'm using a 1/16 against the grain. Now we're going to continue the blending out process with the 1/8 attachment or the number 2 guard against the grain. Now I'm going back to the 1/16 attachment or the number 1 guard to knock out that line that the number 2 attachment guard put in. Now we're going to start the edging up process. Beginning with his left ear, we're going to edge up around his ear. Nice crispy little edge up with the edgers. And a lot of times I'll start the edge up process before the fade is even done, so that way I can have more vision of knowing exactly how we're going to fade it and blend his hair out to perfection. Now we're over the right ear. Just put a nice little line around. Now I'm going back to blend it out again. The scissor over comb method, using of course Mataki shears and also blending shears as well. Steady knocking that line out. Now, a lot of people don't know that blending shears, it's that secret, that powerful method to really get that line out. Blending shears and Mataki shears, you can't go wrong. Clipper over comb. And this is a taper comb that I'm using right now. And that taper comb gets really, really close to the bottom. Look at that blend right there. Nasty. Now I'm applying pomade to the top. We're going to get into a little bit of styling right here. Look at that client. Doesn't he look so pleased, so happy? You just know he's in the house. Look at that blend right there at the left temple. It's got a nice little blend going on. Look at that right blend right there at the right temple. Oh yeah, you can't tell him nothing. You know he's on his way. Now we're using a claw comb. And this claw comb is very hard to come by. This is the top style look for 2019. We're going back to the shears. Look at that texture that claw comb gives. A lot of guys are doing this over in the UK, and this style is about to be really hot here in the United States for 2019. So we're doing some finishing work, just smoothing out some little ends and some extra blending work. Striving for perfection. That's all we do, is just consistently try to strive for perfection. Wonderful. So he's got that look. Nice little taper right there on the side. Hey guys, my name is detailDale. I want to thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I will be posting a lot more soon.